Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to Metalgear Rising Revengeance. And let me just quickly say, if you do enjoy this video, please leave me a like, leave me a comment, and do subscribe and turn notifications on so you never miss out on any of the videos going forward. And yeah, let's just get right back into it. I think it'll probably start off with a...
Riders, you landed safely, huh?
Never mind.
The waypoint is marked on your Soliton radar.
I did think that it was going to have a cutscene there, but it did not. But yes, either way, a couple of things I kind of want to show off. One, this. Just, you cannot kill it or interact with it in any way. It just dodges every attack that you throw at it, which is admittedly good, because you don't want to hurt the animals. But yeah, there you go. And now, when I can get up the stairs, we continue. I do think there is a cutscene missing though, because for some odd reason, pardon me, it decided not to play. Yes. And 3 for 3, nice. But yes, because as everyone knows, people who use stealth camo instantly come out of it. Oh, get a cutscene now, I guess.
Had your fill?
With this body, I could take these guys with no eyes. Intel wasn't exaggerating on the cyborg count.
Well, you know how fast the tech's been spreading these last few years. That CNT muscle fiber packs the power of a jackhammer into every limb.
What enterprising soldier of fortune could resist? And cyborgs are still human.
Real thinking people. Way less risk of collateral damage than your typical UAV strike.
And don't forget the PR angle. Nations start playing Frankenstein with their troops, and the public goes nuts. PMCs, on the other hand, are off the ethical radar.
Yeah, they still don't even count PMCs in official death tolls. With SOP out of the picture, private militaries needed a new edge on the market. We got it.
In a way, cyborgs are just SOP troops by another name. Only all muscled up and less predictable.
But it makes you wonder, where'd Desperado find these guys?
I'm not complaining. They're like walking vending machines.
Right. Vending machines full of blood.
Easy there, Dracula. Like I said, they're still people.
People who terrorize and take innocent lives for money. They sowed their fate when they took this job. I'm just the Reaper.
Damn. It's a bit cold, Raiden.
Even for you. Anyway, his school. Let's get to work. Time to increase the peace.
Right.
Yes, there you go. Lovely bit of cutscenery. Ooh, and an S rank. Admittedly, I didn't get hit. Can we move? Yeah, now we can. But yes, may as well quickly show it off. Yeah, Raiden has a nice, new, slick cyborg body. He's now completely missing an eye, but he's now fully suited up and far stronger than the version that... Oh, for fuck.
Riders, this is Boris. Give me your status.
Looks clear.
I've literally moved 20 feet, Boris.
Let's recap the route you will take. As I said, the enemy's HQ is in the refinery along the coastline. Dolsaev has been spotted there using satellite photography. Also on site, Mistral, a Desperado captain.
So I go through the city, cross the bridge into the old town, then head down to the rear of the refinery.
Still, I think they anticipate us. They will probably have a grand reception awaiting you at the old city. Do not let your guard down.
Honestly. I walked less than 10 feet there, only to get that. But anyway, it's fine. Actually, let me know in the comments if you're interested in me keeping all those calls in. I'm going to keep the cutscenes in because I think it adds to the playthrough. But I'm not super bothered. Is that not? Oh, there we go. Nice, we got some BP.
Hostiles in the
Oh,
lower
for
corridor, I see. Try to
I'm going to skip that one. It's just telling you that there's someone here. I think you can stealth them. Oh, I can when the camera lets me. There we go. It is the dumbest thing. Well, we'll take your spine. Well, take your robo spine anyway. But yes, the only problem with Raiden's sleek new body is, as you can see by the amount of spines we have.
take that main thoroughfare. You can use your bot.
I'm gonna skip these ones while they're all just talking every 30 seconds, because it is a little bit annoying. But yes, the only problem with Raiden's completely new body, it has effectively limited power. Doesn't mean you're constantly on a timer though, it just means the blue bar that's under my health, my blade mode meter, can run out. So I've got to be careful. Mine. But there we go. I'll have your spine. So we've got to keep removing spines to keep that meter nice and high. Come on. Yeah. There is also in I think slightly later than this, you can cut, I want to say left or right arms off of people to get like information. But I can't quite remember. But to be fair, it's still quite early days, so we'll probably not see that. Whoops, there we go. And I feel like these fill your health back up. I could be wrong, but I feel like they do. What else we got? Nothing. Just gotta keep moving. But yeah, in the last video we did take a Metalgear raid down with our what is effectively our bare hands. Oh, I forgot this is the introduction of these weird enemies. Right. Whoops. Alright, come on then. Shit. I'm getting PRB stood here. What? I am getting messed up a little bit. That's not very good. Right, can I get a counter off to see if this does? There we go. Can I have his spine, please? No, I don't think I can. Oh, yes, I can. Yeah, they do completely fill your health up. Nice. Right, where is he? Come on, then. Shit. There is quite a cool little, not feature, but cool little interesting detail. Oh, nice grab. Cool little feature about this enemy. Can I was gonna say, that animation lasts quite a while. I was not quite prepared for it. The parry animation, I mean. There we go. I need your spine, sir. Does it fill my health up? Yeah, right. Up. That was a smidge unfair, but we'll go with it. Right. Shit. You are definitely going to see me parry a considerable lot more in this game than I did in Resident Evil. In Resident Evil, what am I on about? In Dark Souls. Simply just because that is the very much crux of this game. I just need to regain the muscle memory to do it. Because at the moment, I'm not doing too hot. Got hit a little bit too many times.
Now, keep heading for refinery.
Right. Give me the Tesseracts. Right. But yeah, the cool, interesting thing, or the thing that I think is pretty interesting about that enemy. Can I? No. Can we run straight up this wall? No. Because I do want that bazooka for a later fight. Can we do it? Yeah, we can. Where's the bazooka? And... where's my bazooka gone? Well, quickly open this chest and then I'll go find my mysterious missile launcher that I can no longer find. For some weird reason. Oh, well, there it is. Thank you. Oh. They also have missile launchers. Come on then. Nice. Give me your spine. Nice spinal surgeries going on. To be fair, this game does open up quite a lot once you complete this mission, really. Oh, shit. Whoa. Let me clear some distance here. There we go. Ah. I wondered where he went. Yes, shoot the man that is 90% metal with bullets. Oh, hey. Now then. Come. Are they really both stuck down there? No, thank God. Oh, hey. We cannot die to the first proper swarm of enemies. This is not good. I really am gonna die, aren't I? Oh. There we go. Oh, I thought I was gonna parry that one. But alas, it's fine. Do it the old-fashioned way. Yeah, you can get like a partial counter. Come here. Which is, you do the parry like animation, but you don't get the like that. You don't get the riposte sort of thing, using Dark Souls terms though. Ah, I thought I parried that. Also, if an enemy like that turns blue, it just means if you go into blade mode, you can kill it immediately. But I want to show off the cool animations, so... balls. I'm really not doing so hot in this. I'm really not doing great. Yeah, you're going to definitely hear that a lot. Wrong button I was mashing there. I was mashing B. Come on. There we go. There we go. Right. And yes, for some odd reason, these things also have robo-spines. Even though I'm pretty sure they are completely... I was going to say bioorganical. No, completely made out of metal. Don't know what the word is. Is there an enemy still alive, or...? No, I've got to go through here. But yes, the cool thing that I think about them is that they make cow noises. And the reason I do find that quite interesting is mainly...
Right and wait. We're picking up a wireless transmission near your position.
Oh.
From the frequency, most likely an enemy data terminal. Check it out. We may be able to salvage some intel.
Right. Don't know what this is, but we'll do it nonetheless. Yeah, we've got VR mission. Nice. Right, sound. Yeah, VR missions, I don't think I ever did them, so I'm not completely sure what they are. If anyone in the comments has played through this game as well and wants to let me know, they can. Oh yeah, I've just realised what's coming, I think.
Greetings, cyborg. Show yourself.
Interface prototype. All autonomous UGs feature high-level onboard artificial intelligence. An additional prototype interface enables verbal communication. I possess an intellect far beyond human reckoning.
You don't say. Okay then, what's the meaning of life? Why are we here?
I am here to kill you.
That's it? Pretty simple thinking for such a mighty intellect.
I may analyze orders, but I may not disobey them. Should I disobey a direct order, my memory would be wiped. I must destroy you.
What good is an intellect if you can't use it?
Your taunting is pointless. Exterminate.
But yeah, this is the first, what I consider the first proper boss of the game. He hits fairly hard, but he's not super difficult as you can learn to parry, which this boss will definitely help you do, because if you can't parry in this, you will struggle. But yeah, this is Blade Wolf, effectively, or Chainsaw Doggo, depending on what you want to call him. But yeah, he summons goons. Is that a triple spinach? It is. Lovely. Nice triple spine action. Fairly easy. But yeah, he comes in waves. Comes in waves like this. Fight him, get his health low, and then he'll flee again. I am making him look not super difficult. Although, be wary of his chainsaw attack. Yeah. Because now he summons these, what I will refer to just as Calgroids. Or is it just one? If it's just one, this might be quite easy. Because I can learn to parry it a bit better. Or maybe not. There we go. Oh. Sorry if you can hear my... like, hammering of the trigger there, but... Not trigger, of the analog stick, but it's got to be done, unfortunately. Just chop his legs off. And chop him up, because why not? And give me your spine. Beautiful. Back to full health. What's he summon now? Oh. Oh yeah, and now we get his kick-ass soundtrack. How is it that I can parry the boss, but not the cows? Superficial. I don't know necessarily what that means. So, I'm not too sure if he means that we're not doing anything. And here we go. I do massively feel sorry for this, because it does have an intelligence, so it's practically sentient. Yeah, you may struggle there a little bit.
What would an AI know about freedom?
And yeah, there we go. That is who I call Blade Wolf, and who will probably be called Blade Wolf from now on. Completely done. Yeah, like I say, I do feel sorry for that boss, because it is an artificial intelligence that doesn't really have a choice in what it does. and Raiden just absolutely massacres it. Because you do have the opportunity to do that against every boss. The shit. Right. Balls to this. Come on. I'm getting battered here. I'm really not doing quite as well. There we go. Oh. I didn't get his spine, that's unfortunate. Did get his though. But yeah, it's an artificial intelligence and you can just cut it infinitely effectively. Like you can with all the future bosses. But they're people, albeit cyborg people, but people nonetheless. But yeah, Blade Wolf doesn't have a choice, and it's big sads. Any animal, whether it be a machine or not, still big sads when you've got to kill it. But yeah, anyway, the point I was going to make about the weird things that make cow noises is I think the whole point, I don't know if this is just a behind the scenes thing or just a theory, is the reason they make cow noises is to show this sort of mass-produced weapon. Since cows, we mass farm them for meat and for various other things. I think the whole point is they're meant to be mass-produced soldiers. Right. How do I... No, that's not it. This is it. No. Yeah, you can use a bazooka, and for this fight, makes it a hell of a lot easier, as you can see. And you can cut it, but you can just shoot it, which is my preferred way to do it, so I can just Legolas my way towards it and just slice it to bits. Boom, straight up, sorted. Although I do need to find a normal soldier now, so I can rip their spine out and get all my blade mode stuff back. Although yeah, if you do it that way, I think you get a lower rank. So if you want to do it that way, I guess be aware you won't get an S for that fight if you care about your rank, which I'm not really bothered. I just like playing the game. Although that's one thing I never really do is use, use the grenades. And yet, there you can see a hostage. I'm going to try and save them.
Looks to me like Russian spies. Hey, we are just... Well, we can't let him give away our position. Waste him. We'll fill out the paperwork later. No, please. I will do anything.
I don't think I've got him. But... or maybe we did, I don't fully know actually. I know he's laying on the ground, but... I don't know, he ain't alive. There's a few of them and you do get... what's the word? You do get like a better score for rescuing them and saving them. But, yeah. Such is life. Shit. They do sometimes swoop. Oh, we've got him. There we go. Oh, you just cut his legs off? Cut his wings off. Right, spine. I've lost a smidge of health. Oh yeah, there we go. So you can just jump and attack them. These enemies I feel are even easier to deal with than the ones that are standing. Oh, that's unfortunate. Oh well, we'll steal his Tesseract and continue on with our day. What we got here? Ooh, another bazooka.
So that's where they're holed up.
Some kind of electronic lock on the gate.
Most likely it opens only if you have the right ID data stored in your left hand. Perhaps you could find a cyborg with access and borrow it?
You see any cyborgs around here, Doc?
Why not double back? Check the vehicle route again. You know, back at the entrance to the old city. Who knows? Maybe you can hitch a ride. Most likely, platoon commanders carry correct ID data for the gate. Use enhanced mode to figure out who to hit.
Yep, we've still got a basically a cutscene. Not the commander, doesn't have the hand. But yeah, this is where the hand thing kind of gets introduced. So, no hand on you. Ow. That wasn't very nice. Ah. It is also not your hand. Fair enough. I must just have to keep going back. Oh, yeah. But yeah. Oh, there's the hand. Can we get his spine? There we go. I don't know. Oh. I think I got the hand. I'm not completely sure.
You missed them all? Well, you just have to fight your way through.
Oh, I didn't get the hand, so you can just cut through the door, I think. Yeah. What the fuck? Oh, there we go. I don't know why I couldn't just have done that from the start, like, but such is life. And yes, as you can see, we've got a completely new enemy type. But before I deal with him, can we cut that down and deal with it? Some of these guys, they pepper me with bullets. Ow. But yeah, new enemy, not super difficult. Or super different, that is, from the regular enemy. Oh, ow. Shit. Oh, I didn't realise they could shoot each other. That's new. Ow. Shit. Yeah, you've got to parry them back and forth, basically. Because they can react to your attacks just as well as you can react to theirs. Or, in his case, better. Because I can't parry quite yet. Give me your spine, and now it's just your boss man to deal with. Ow. Come on. Oh, nice. Instantly done that. And spinage. As I said, not super difficult to deal with, and if you're playing this, you're probably better at parrying than I am, so there you go. Oh, right, yep. Slice the doors off, but can't get through. Right, there we go. Is anything around here? Because you may as well look for it. 3D photo frame. Don't know what that does. I've probably picked them up before playing this. Nice, some rations. Or, well, yeah, repair some things. To make sure our health constantly is topped up. Because the last thing you want is to do a death. Because that's definitely not fun. Even if you're an enhanced super soldier like Raiden is, which don't want to judge. Pretty sure most of my audience aren't. Oh, what's over here? Oh, well. Kind of pointless, but I'll not turn my nose up at. A free hand grenade. And Tesseract. So away we go. Oh, we've got a cutscene.
Dolzaev. That woman.
Raiden, what's happening? Your heart rate spiked.
Yeah, I just dodged a bullet. All right, I'm heading for the refinery.
Right, and there you have it. That was the little teaser introduction to a later boss, Mistral, or as I call her, or will be calling her from now on, Robo Rihanna. That wasn't super obvious from her look there, since you only saw her for a split second. But that is, I think, who the character was based off. But yeah, anyway, since we reached a checkpoint and did technically defeat a boss, albeit very quickly, I'm going to leave this here, ladies and gentlemen. If you have enjoyed, as said, please like, comment, subscribe, do all that lovely YouTube things so I know I'm doing something right. And yeah, let me know if I should be skipping cutscenes and skipping the little voice calls or all that stuff. Just let me know what you guys think. I'm happy to leave it in if you guys want me to. And yeah, with that, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.